it again and again. Back to you, Crab. And now for this prepaid commercial message. Do you enjoy wearing the color white? Do you have terrible aim? Are you okay with the feeling of your head being trapped in a small confined space for long periods of time? If so, a job as an Imperial Stormtrooper is perfect for you. Travel the galaxy as you serve on the most powerful weapon ever created, the all-new Death Star. So come on down to your local Galactic Empire recruiter or call us up at 1-800-BAD-SHOT. That number again, 1-800-BAD-SHOT. Remember, you're either with us or against us. This episode from the Galactic Empire on the Star Wars Virtual Podcast. And we're back. Now for your galaxy weather. Wolfus, yes, you know, huge. Like 2 big girl horns coming out of their melon.
What? What does the red dot mean? This is moving.
Tim? Oh, yes, we lost him. Oh, well. And finally, we take you to Bookkeepers to give us the local weather on the lava planet of Mustafar. Ooh, sounds a little toasty. I got a burning ember in my eye. Get me off this planet. No, thanks for a job. Well done. Not funny. In other news, Star Tours is now offering some fantastic galactic vacation deals. Looking for a vacation with some adventure? Then book a skiff excursion to Jabba's palace.